Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and it's been a little bit since I've vlogged again. Goodness, I really haven't gotten into a good routine with this new location of my job and transporting my son around, so I apologize for that. But I have kept up with videos, I just haven't kept up with vlogs. So this past weekend was a really nice weekend. Oh my goodness. Let's see, Saturday, I didn't do a whole lot. I actually crafted a lot of the day, which was fabulous. I needed that very much. I needed some just me downtime, and it was great. And then Sunday was Lisa's son's graduation party, and that was also fabulous. My goodness, she can throw a party, that gal. She is amazing, a rock star. She's super cool. I was so happy, and he was so happy. Hunter, her son, and well, we were all so happy, but he was just beaming, and she threw a heck of a party, and there were so many people there. It was just wonderful. I was so glad that everything turned out so well, and I'm just hoping that this party that I'm helping to plan this Sunday goes as well, because it went without a hitch as far as I'm concerned. Of course, Lisa will say that there were some hitches, but I don't think people noticed. I know I didn't. Sorry, my eyelashes are sticking together. It's finally getting warmer here, and it is 81 degrees. I know I sometimes say what the weather is, so that's kind of fun, but 81 degrees. I am still taking my son to and from work most of the time until he gets another vehicle. I don't know, but he's doing really well. They actually, I don't know if I said this in the last video or not, but it's worth repeating if I did. His bosses took him to lunch the other day and told him that they were really impressed with him, and I think that that's a really good thing. Sorry, I'm trying to tighten this up so it won't keep falling down. And Katie is loving her job. She is a camp counselor. Again, this is her second year, and she absolutely loves it. Her crew this year, she said, is very enthusiastic and happy. Not her crew, but the crew. And they are kind of looking up to her, though, as a lead, just because she's been there, done that, and that's kind of neat. She's liking that, especially since she's going to school to be a teacher. She really likes teaching and, like instructing and all of that, so it's been really good for her. And her boyfriend came into town last week. He had an interview here in Indy. He just graduated. Convertible, like, almost ran right into me. He graduated from college earlier this year, well, June or whatever. It is June, May. Whew. And he had a job interview for a position at Charles Schwab here in Indy, and Katie is really hoping that he gets that and that it's what he wants. That convertible is gonna create an accident. He was trying to get over, and I was here, so he couldn't, and then he cut in front of 3 people to get over just to go straight here. I don't understand people sometimes. He's crazy. Sorry. I digress. But that was really good for them. They hadn't seen each other since school was out, so that was nice. And then he's coming back in a couple of weeks because his birthday is coming up. I haven't gotten him anything yet. I need to figure that out. Alex and Chloe are doing okay. They have their struggles. My goodness. I told them that I am not on that roller coaster. They can do that by themselves. I am stepping off. I'm not on it. I do not like roller coasters. I don't do drama, all of that mess. So if they want to have a lover's quarrel or whatever, they can leave me out. And I think that that's all right, but it's just, whew. Dennis is on the hunt for another puppy. He wants to get a pocket pit bull. I don't know if you guys know what those are, but they are pit bulls, and Taz is a pit bull, our current dog. So it's just a pit pit bull that's short, so it's like still stocky and all that, but short to the ground. And he actually found one that he really likes, and she will be weaned the end of July, I think, or early August. And Dennis is really working on trying to get that. I don't know, the sound of a puppy, just, I love puppies. I can't tell you how much I love, you guys know that I love me some animals, and puppies are, I mean, anything, any little thing is just adorable and so much fun. But it's also a lot of work, and gosh, I gotta get my head around that if that's what we want to do. He's like all gung-ho, and I have to be the voice of reason right now, because you can't go into this kind of a thing and just be willy-nilly and, oh yeah, you can't do that. So we need to have some better conversations and figure out if we are truly ready to take on another pup. And I understand, I mean, we have 2 cats and a dog, and for the most part the kids are not there. Katie's here for the summer, but she is going to be a senior, so this might be her last summer here. Alex is on his own, so I mean, I kind of get it, but yeah, whew, it's a lot of work. So we'll see what happens. I'm still thinking on that, and I told him not to be a bully. The dog's a bully, you can't be a bully. Because, you know, we call Taz Bully. Not all the time, but we call him Bully Dog. He's so sweet. Gosh, I love my Taz, man. And, trying to think of anything else. I have been doing some shopping. I got some Christmas shopping done already. I was even thinking about wrapping it, but I decided not to wrap yet. I'm going to wait and wrap later. But I do have quite a few Christmas presents purchased, which is very exciting for me. I have Father's Day ready. I haven't wrapped that though. I do need to go to the Dollar Tree and find some gift bags. And I'm still working on my inventory for stamps. I'm getting a lot of it done. I did end up buying those wire racks that I think I told you guys about. I don't know if I showed any pictures or anything, but and I don't know that I will show you any until unless I remember to take one, until I organize the craft room, which I'm not sure when that's going to be, but I am telling myself it's going to be this summer. So that gives me a couple of months to get that going, but I'm pretty excited about it. I know that I have Lisa and Ellen that are going to come and help me. Thank you so much. I absolutely appreciate the help, and I am really excited about having things organized and all of my stamps organized. That will be wonderful. I've never had that, where everything is in a place where I can find it. If I'm hunting for a specific stamp, and I know that I told you about Airtable, the inventory spreadsheet software app that I'm using, and I haven't done a video on that yet, but I do intend to do that. I just don't know a ton about it, so I'm just gonna have to tell you guys what I know about it and go from there. So I still have that in my plans. I just haven't filmed that yet, so be looking for that. I will do that as soon as I can. Alex has an appointment with an ear, nose, and throat doctor because they think that his tonsils are enlarged. I don't know. There's that mess. I need to make an appointment with my doctor. I'm trying to remember of everything that's going on. But yeah, I think, and we're still doing the MD card exchange. Ellen and Lisa and I were having a great time doing that. We meet this Saturday, so this weekend is going to be jam-packed but fun. It's going to be, Saturday is my MD meetup, planner meetup with Lisa and Ellen, and we're trying to figure out where we're going to go and what we're going to do. We're thinking we might go to breakfast, so that's what we're thinking right now. And then also, what else? There is something else. Oh, Sunday is the graduation party for my best friend Linda, who lives in Louisville, so I will be there on Sunday, and the kids are coming with me to that. They're excited about that. And goodness, I think that's about all I know. So I'm looking forward to having some fun, and work has been good. It's just been busy. So yeah, I guess that's about everything. That should fill you in. I'm sorry it's been so long. Like always, I will try to do better, but no promises, because life happens, man. Life happens for sure. And it's a crazy ride, but it's a good one. And I'm glad that you guys come along with me for this ride. I really appreciate all of you. I know I tell you that often, but I hope that you know I have been growing a lot of subscribers, and goodness gracious, I can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you have any questions, let me know. I really appreciate you, and I'm so glad you're here. So I'm just going to keep on doing what I'm doing, and I just need to tell you thank you. So have a wonderful day, and I hope that everything goes your way, even though it probably won't. But you know, we can all hope. Have a wonderful one. Bye-bye.